Friends, I'm going to give you an up close look and just a very honest review of what I think about this Bedsure king size comforter set. There are some really great things about it, but here are some things that you probably should know first. So this is the beige. It's a very light tannish gray color. I do really like it a lot. It complements very well with other colors and patterns. So I really do like that a lot. The material, guys, is crazy soft. That actually shocked me when I opened it up. I wish I was videoing because my jaw hit the floor when I opened it. I was not expecting it to be this soft. Now, you can already see it is a little bit on the wrinkled side. That is just the style and look of it. You're not going to have a material this soft without having that wrinkled look. I really don't mind it because it's just the way it's supposed to look and feel. And I love it, guys. It's so comfortable. It has a very cooling feel to it as well, so I don't get crazy hot at night. And it offers a very good amount of warmth as well. Just overall, I love the look of it. Like I said, this is the king size. If you wanted to drape over the sides a little bit more and have that oversized look, you'll just need to bump it up a size, go to your California King, and then you'll have that oversized look. Overall, it's been really good quality. I've already washed and dried it. I followed the instructions and washed it on cool and tumble dried it, and it came out great. It's not like balling up inside or anything. It's still nice and smooth as it should be. Guys, I love it. I do really recommend it. So if you need it for your own bed, maybe a guest room, whatever that might be, go ahead and get one. I think you'll really, really like it.